Hello again. I'm in the process of trying to get some seeds started here, and I've got my heat mat underneath the trays, and I went and connected my Vivosun Heat Mat Thermostat. It's an older model, and I got the dreaded error message on the display. So a little autopsy on the unit, and I discovered that the thermistor, the temperature sensing probe at the end, was defective. So I hopped on Amazon. I got 5 new thermistors. I'll get this connected up and show you. It seems to work pretty good. Okay, I've installed the new thermistor, and I just spliced the wires onto the old cable, and there's a probe into the potting soil, and you can see it's working properly. Now the thermistor is not polarity sensitive, so you can hook the wires up either way. I just soldered them together and put some shrink sleeving over the top, and you can see everything is working properly. So there's one less thing to go to the landfill. So whenever it goes bad, I've got 4 spares. I hope you're all well, and have a nice day.